Move your ankle in a circular motion. With your legs straight out in front of you, tighten your thigh muscle so your knee straightens. You should see your kneecap move upwards if you tighten the muscle correctly. Hold the contraction for 5 seconds, then relax. Place a rolled up towel under your knee. Tighten your thigh muscle and lift your heel off the floor to straighten your knee. Make sure you keep the back of your knee against the towel. Hold this position for 5 seconds, then relax. Pull your toes up towards you and tighten your thigh muscle. Lift your whole leg off the bed 10 centimeters and hold this position for 5 seconds. Slowly lower down. Slide your heel upwards to bend your knee. Bend as far as you can. Lying on your unaffected side with your knees bent and heels together, slowly raise your top knee as far as you can without rolling your hips backwards. Keep your heels together during the exercise. Slowly lower your knee back to the starting position.